things didn't go as planned. I barely got off the dock. Not pretty. Anyway, that's a story for maybe this afternoon. I'm on my way because I got on Facebook again last night and I seen this. And I'm heading to Rhode Island for a boat, a cuddy cabin, big boat. I think I saw pictures. I mean, it's very clear that I'm interested and it's what I'm looking for, but it's the engine that appears to be on the boat. It's a 6-cylinder, 2-stroke Johnson. Not sure what year, but I know it's before fuel injection, so to me that's a huge plus. I think, anyway. I don't know if I mentioned, it seems to be a fair price. Maybe I can negotiate with him a little bit. It's something that's been on Facebook for a month or so, and I think he's already changed prices once. Anyway, he messaged me back this morning. I messaged him this morning, messaged me back. The guy seems wicked cool, Jared. And I'm on my way to see him now. GPS says I'll be there at 11:15. And we'll see what happens from there. Okay, I'll let you guys go.